Here is how you can make thousands of dollars in commissions using Deepseek. I've personally got insane results from Deepseek already. It has helped me make thousands of dollars in earnings so far, and I'm going to show you how. So personally, I use Deepseek AI to make money with affiliate commissions. This is one of the examples of one of the affiliate programs that I'm promoting. I also sell some of my own products using Deepseek AI. You can see some of the examples of the sales here. So you can literally sell anything using Deepseek AI. You can sell your own digital products, you can sell your services, or you can make money with affiliate marketing or CPA. So probably one of the best ways to get started is to go to ClickBank, and ClickBank is an affiliate marketing network, which means that you can promote products in a variety of niches on ClickBank, earning commissions for any product that you refer. They have products in all of these different niches, so you can definitely find something that you like, and you can earn commissions for any product sales that come via your link. ClickBank is especially awesome if you're a total newbie. It's an easy way to get started. You don't need to create your own product. It's super simple and fast to get started here. Once you've logged into ClickBank, go to the marketplace and you can filter the different offers that you can promote by category, or you can just go and select view all offers if you don't even know what niche or category of products you would like to promote. And now you can sort results either by rank, so that's by popularity, or by one of the other metrics, but starting with sorting by rank is actually a good start. There you can read about different offers. So for example, take a look at this Java Burn offer. It pays $159 on average for any sale that you refer. You can also pay attention to this called the gravity score. And gravity score just shows the popularity of this product. Any gravity score of over 10 is actually really good. It means that at least 195 affiliates have made sales in the last 7 days of this product. So it means it's converting basically for a huge variety of people. So you can go through and choose which offer you would like to promote. There is offers in the woodworking niche. There are offers in various health and fitness niches, in self-improvement niches. For the purposes of this video today, let's focus on the smoothie diet. It's an offer which is really has got a broad appeal, I think, and it shows how people can lose weight and get healthier by following a smoothie diet. So this is an offer where you can make an average of $21 per sale. Once you've selected the offer, it's a good idea to just grab your affiliate link. For that, you can click promote. I'm going to enter my affiliate nickname, and then let's click continue, and you're going to get your affiliate link. So you can see here encrypted hop link. Okay, so you can click the copy button to actually copy this into your clipboard, and let's just start taking notes. So this is going to be our affiliate link, and it's quite long and quite difficult to kind of pronounce or memorize. So you can use a service such as bit.ly to shorten your affiliate link. So just once you've logged in, go create new link, and this will create a short version of your link. And you can see that you've actually got an option to customize your short link, which is awesome. And it will tell you if this exact link already exists and cannot be duplicated. All right, and here we go. I found something that is not taken. So bit.ly/getmysmoothie. And there we go. We've created our link. So now it looks a lot better. It's bit.ly/getmysmoothie. So let's just put that into our notes. This is going to be our affiliate link. And if we click this affiliate link, then the ClickBank offer will get opened via our affiliate link. And let's say if you share this with someone, or you share it anywhere online, on YouTube, on Instagram, on social media, on your email, wherever it is, whenever someone clicks this link and they end up going to this product page and buying this product, you will get paid an average of $21 per sale, as we know from the statistics of ClickBank. So we're now ready to start promoting. This is going to be the link that we're going to try to drive all of our traffic to. So let's talk about how you're going to get traffic. The first way I'm going to show you how to get traffic is from threads.net. Threads is owned by Instagram. It's a very powerful and very efficient way to get traffic, because a lot of the content on Threads is text-based. Look at all of these threads. It's kind of a little bit similar to Twitter, I guess I would say. And not many people are using it to make money, but a lot of people are out there looking for information on Threads. So it's literally just a few lines of text, and you can see that these few lines of text get great engagement. I have personally been on Threads for a very short amount of time, but I have already had 106,000 total views in the past 30 days. And this has come mostly from non-followers, so only 18,000 from followers. You can see I've had quite a lot of interactions, and you can see that some of my posts have had 27,000 views, 8,000 views. You know, I'm building up followers quite quickly. And there are people looking for all sorts of information on Threads. For example, since our niche is going to be smoothie niche, if you go into search bar and you enter smoothie, you will see all the different posts and all the different profiles that talk about smoothies. And look at how much interactions they're getting. 5 days ago, this was posted and they have had 108,000 comments. This means that they have had probably tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of views. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of interaction around the smoothies. And if we open up this profile, we will actually see that they've had 54,000 followers, which is insane. And guess what they're doing? They're promoting the smoothie program as an affiliate. Okay, so if we click on here, you can see that this opens up the page where there is an offer with the smoothie diet to lose weight, burn belly fat, etc. So they're doing exactly what we are trying to do in this tutorial. Okay, so you can, of course, you can learn from this profile, do what they're doing, post similar content, but I'm actually going to show you step by step how to use Deepseek to do this. The second type of content that I'm going to show you how to create is faceless short form videos. So I've been doing a lot of this myself. I'm going to show you how to create these exact types of videos. So take a look at this one, for example. It has had 7,288 views. And this was created fully by using Deepseek AI and another free tool that I'm going to show you. Okay, but this type of content absolutely works. I just wanted you to be confident that the method I'm going to show you actually works. This here is another video that was generated this way. Again, 8,000 views, and it literally took just a couple of minutes to generate. And the idea on both platforms is the same. So you can see this profile, for example, they are essentially just posting content and then they're directing people to click the affiliate link in their profile. And it would be the same idea on Instagram. You would set up your profile, you would insert your affiliate link here into the description, and you would post content that I'm going to show you how to create. And then you're going to get a ton of people clicking this affiliate link because they're interested in smoothie recipes and losing weight using smoothies. And they're going to click your affiliate link and they're going to make sales for you when they buy the product that you're promoting. All right, so first of all, let's talk about setting up your Threads profile. So for this, you will want to set up a profile, of course, that looks similar to this. And guys, if you're promoting another niche, you just follow the same steps. Okay, if you're promoting your own service, your own product, or a different niche, just follow the exact same steps. I'm only using this because this is the example that I'm going with. Go and register your account with Deepseek. And then I'm literally going to start interacting with Deepseek. And I'm going to say, I want to create a profile on threads.net, posting content about health benefits of smoothies. Please help me create a threads.net profile for this account. Please suggest the profile handle, profile name, write a bio and clickable link, and a clickable call to action for people to click that link. So I've asked them to do all of this for me. Nice and easy. Let's click enter. And just like that, Deepseek has done this for me. They've suggested a profile handle, okay, smoothie benefits, profile name, smoothie health hub, bio, a clickable call to action. And you can now go ahead and just set up this profile and basically copy and paste all of the information that Deepseek has given you. And where you're entering your profile link, make sure that here for the link, you insert your link from bit.ly. So bit.ly get my smoothie. Okay, our profile is done. So now we can ask Deepseek to help us generate the ideas for what to post. And guys, look, Threads, okay, is about volume. You can post 15, 20, 30 posts per day on Threads. It's not a problem. And I use AI for a lot of my posts. Almost all the posts that I post are done using AI. And look, they get a lot of traction. Some of them do, some of them don't. But this is all a numbers game. Like any content production, it's a numbers game. Look at this post, 3.7 thousand views, and this was written by AI. Another cool thing is that on Threads, you can include clickable links. Okay, so you can insert your affiliate links into Threads and people will be able to click them just while they're browsing. They don't even have to go to your bio. Now let's ask Deepseek to create those posts for us. So I'm gonna say, write me 100 posts to promote the smoothie diet program on my Threads profile. Make it a mix of educational, promotional, funny, and engagement posts. Make the post short and snappy, friendly tone. Let's say between 2 to 4 sentences, some a little longer. In about 20% of the posts, encourage people to click this link, and I've inserted the link. And in others, just make it a value post without asking people to click. Let's submit this. All right, awesome. Well, guess what? We've got our Threads posts. And they're categorized here into educational, promotional, funny posts, and engagement posts, just how we've asked. And as you can see, these kind of posts actually get so much engagement. It's insane how much engagement they actually get. They get so many hearts, so many comments. It's really crazy. So this is absolutely something that can work. So you can pretty much just take these and start posting them on your Threads profile. Make it a mix and sometimes insert these links into your actual posts. So see there, it says here link posts. Okay, so just mix it up. Make sure that you're promoting your offer directly, as well as just making some motivational and posts without the link. And guys, just so that you believe and understand that this is not BS of some sort, okay? I am saying this because I am doing this myself. Yes, in a different niche. You can do this in a business niche like me if you want to, but I'm doing this myself in my niche, and you can see, so this is a post written by AI, 5.7 thousand views. This was written by AI, guys. I did not write this. I just basically did the same thing that I'm showing you how to do. I asked AI to write this for me, and I copied and pasted this onto my Threads profile. And yes, it might not seem kind of like promotional, but it engages the right people, and then what they do is they will check out your profile and they will take a look at what are you all about, and a lot of them will end up clicking the link that you're recommending for them to click. The other very important thing is for you to have a pinned post. So make a pinned post in the niche that you're promoting, like this, just like this profile has done, where you've got a nice picture, and make sure that you insert your affiliate link there as well, because from all of these posts that you're going to be putting out, people will come and they will check out your link, and many of them will start clicking this link as well as the link in the pinned post. Okay, so how do you make the post? Well, you literally just take this, copy and paste on your profile, click this plus button, and you will be able to start a new post, and you can paste that in. Then you can go to a site like Pixabay or Pexels, and you can search for smoothie images, and all of these are free for you to use. So this looks pretty delicious. Let's download this image and then click this image button to add your image, and then we're ready to post. So here we go. We've got our text, we've got our image. Just click post and that'll go up onto your Threads account. I just want to stress there is nothing more to it than this. You literally just put up posts and the relevant audience will find your posts via the Threads algorithm. So the second source of traffic that I want to show you is Instagram. And to make content on Instagram, it's a really good idea to actually create reels. You can see that reels on Instagram do get a lot of views. So here is an example of a profile that promotes a smoothie diet. Okay, so you can see that's the affiliate link. So this is where you would insert your affiliate link that we created together. And the idea is basically the same. Get people to watch your reel, and then in the reel you can tell people to click your affiliate link, which is going to be in the bio. Now the big question in your mind, of course, is A, does this really work? And B, how can I make these kind of videos that are actually getting views? Well, I want to reassure you once again that AI generated faceless reels actually work extremely well. I post them on all of my social media profiles. You can see this one here, 7,288 views, 7,742 views. These are faceless reels that have been generated by AI. And we can create those reels using Deepseek and another free tool that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to ask Deepseek to write me a video script for an Instagram reel showing how to make a smoothie with ginger, make it short, 90 words or less. Here we go. Deepseek has produced this for us, and we can copy all of this, and you can use this tool called Ossa AI. They actually have a free forever plan which allows you to create 5 faceless short form videos per month for free per account. Now, of course, potentially you could have more than one account. I'm not suggesting you do this, but this is one of the ways that people on a budget actually do this. And of course, if you like this tool, then you can sign up to one of the free plans, and then you get a lot more credits. But basically you can start for free if you want to. What I'm showing you here, I'm doing on a free plan as well. And I have produced my reels on a free plan as well. Once you log in, you go here. If you're on a free plan, then switch to classic mode. And this is where you can enter all of the details about the reel that you want to make. For the voice, we can choose this voice, Daniela. This sounds good to me. You've got a lot of different choices for styles of the video. And you can actually take a look here at the showcase. And these are all the different videos that are being produced by Ossa. So this is kind of like a feed of all of the different things that people are making right now. And that will give you an idea on the kind of stuff that you can expect in your video and what kind of settings you might want to use. So if we want a realistic video, and that's what we want basically for smoothies, we can find a realistic looking video like this. Here you can preview this, okay, just to see how it looks. Now guys, this is all made completely in an automated way using OSSA. You don't need to touch anything, you don't need to do anything. And you can check what settings were done here. So style here is DSL Punk. Okay, that's the voice that they used and the font is generic. So we know that we can probably use the DSL Punk setting for our video. So let's go over here. Okay, you can find DSL Punk if you want, but I will probably go with hyperrealism. Let's see how that goes. And for the subtitle fonts, I will probably choose, let's leave it a generic. I quite like this font, this sounds good, but I will just change the color of it to be yellow. Okay, so yellow generally I prefer as the subtitle colors, and this is where we're going to insert the script now. And there we go, we've got our script pasted in here, and let's now click create video. Our video is ready, I've downloaded, and let's just preview this.
Make your own super healthy ginger smoothie. Start with a thumb-sized piece of ginger for a zesty kick. Add a handful of spinach, frozen mango, and a cup of almond milk. Blend until smooth. Enjoy your refreshing, immune-boosting ginger smoothie.
Now guys, this was pretty awesome. Okay, this is auto-generated. You don't need to do anything. You literally just get your script, paste it in, download the video, and it's done. And you might think, maybe this is not the best video in the world, but content production and short form content is all about volume. Some of them will do well, some of them will not do well, but I can guarantee you that some of these videos are going to do really, really well for you. They're going to take off and get you a lot of views and a lot of traffic. Don't discount it. This is a real thing. This is something that I personally do myself. I've shown you examples, 7,288 views. So clearly people watch this. Guys, there are whole channels that do this. Look at this channel, 69,000 subscribers from just 71 videos. And all of these are made in a very similar fashion. They're faceless videos produced by AI.
Queen Cleopatra, the last pharaoh of Egypt, was actually Macedonian. In 1908, a massive explosion occurred near the Tunguska.
So basically this is doing the exact same thing that I've just shown you how to do. And your goal with all of this, of course, is to publish this content, whether it's on Threads or on Instagram, and to get people to click this link. And the more people are going to click the link, the more sales you're going to make of the affiliate offer that you're promoting. If you seriously want to grow your business online with short form content and AI, then go to fastervideos.com, and this is where you can get free access for 7 days on a trial basis to my course, where I'll show you how I personally make an average of $928 per day using 7-second videos without showing my face. So fastervideos.com, then enter your name and email and click the button below. And from this next page, you will see how we've got tens of millions of views with short form content using AI and generate tens of thousands of dollars per month. So just click this button over here to get your $0 free trial access. You'll get all of the training as well as direct access to me and my business partner, Alan, where we'll provide you with ongoing coaching and support, everything that you need to succeed online with short form content. If you guys found it useful, then please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and here now you've got two options. You can download my guide on how to make money with AI videos, or you can watch this next video that's going to show you another way to make money with AI. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.